Look at all these cute rice molds I got from Japan. Let's see what kind of cute stuff I can make. I got this hagurumo rice flavoring that I can put it on each of these rice bowl. And I have this Sito Fumi Forikaki. It's a flavoring for the rice. Looks colorful and yummy, and it smells good. The first one we're gonna make is a mold of a teddy bear. ASMR. Where's our little bear? Let's open it. Here it is. Now we're gonna make a bunny. And where's our little bunny? Here it is. Now we're gonna use this mold. It's a bear-like face, and we have to pack this with rice and put this at the top to make its face. Now let's push our bear out. Now we'll reveal the face. Wow! And now we're gonna try these little cute bows. Now let's flip it. Oh, it looks like a little round bowl. Maybe later on, it's gonna look like a bow. These are all the decorations I prepared to put it on their face. Let's give this bear cute little eyes and a cute smile. Aren't these too cute to eat? What do you think of this? Is it cute or adorable? Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Subscribe and watch my channel. Close enough. Cut mo lang na siya. Wala mo na eh.
Make it tighter.
Wait, baka kailangan mo nang basain. Ay, bigla. Oh, man. Failed. Maybe, initin ko muna to kasi hindi na malamig na yung kanin eh. Hindi na yan siya didikit. Banog lang.
Okay. Yum.
Initin ko lang muna. Cute. What do you think of this?
These.
Do you think it's cute?
These.
Oh. What do you think this? Oh. What do you think is this?
Of these.
Of this. What do you think of this?
These.
This. What do you think of this?
These.
The. What do you? I know it's spelling out. T-H-I-E-S.
E-S-E. What do you think of these?
What do you? What do you think? What do you think of this?
These.
These.